Hey, Mike Callahan here with a video on how to use automated text messaging in Service Autopilot automations to create basically an automated conversation via text for the example of an automated text ahead or a call ahead with a upsell that would be automated through text messaging as well. So what we can see is we got the automated basically tying into the dispatch board of Service Autopilot. We're going to send out an automated text pre-dispatch notification. Is it okay if we service your home today? Please reply yes or no. As we scroll down here, we're going to be able to go in and decide the path. So if they text no, the system will automatically reply back, thank you for letting us know. We will reschedule and trigger an internal to-do to reschedule that job and let the tech know. In addition, if we come down the other path here where they say yes, the customer in the yellow here texts back yes. Service Autopilot is going to automatically text back. We have dispatched the crew for today. Thank you. And it's going to hit a bit of a delay timer. So it looks like it's a person actually behind the text message and say, hey, while we're there, would you like a perimeter pest treatment for, and we're going to merge in the price of the actual treatment. Please reply yes or no. In this instance, if they replied yes, we're going to create an internal to-do for someone to notify the tech and update the dispatch board. So if we're using our mobile, the tech knows they're supposed to do that. And then we're going to actually go out and do the job. Once the job's completed, we're going to apply another timer to either go down the left path here to trigger QDS, which is quality-driven software for quality and satisfaction ratings, which I highly suggest, or if that's something you're not interested in, we would actually trigger another internal text to text the customer satisfaction, and put some logic behind that, basically with an NPS score, and trigger some responses if they were unhappy. So QDS is a great option. If you want to do it yourself, we can trigger another text there after a timer so it looks like we actually are doing it with a human. And the next thing I'm going to show you over here to the right is the internal workings of the automation. So we can do our confirmation text, the time, pre-built a document in there, and we're going to expect a response. And we can create some logic here. So if they said yes, we're going to add a tag for the call ahead upsell. And if they said no, job not approved. And we can build an automation around that to trigger the sequence we just ran through here of the yes or no sequence and the follow-up, whether it's an internal task to reschedule a job or internally to upsell a job and merge in a property-specific price. So this would be great if you're going out for an aeration and you want to add overseeding, perimeter pest, anything that you can do and bill them basically twice while being at the property once. Great idea to do a upsell through a notification there. So if any comments or questions, drop below. I'm just trying to show you some other ways you can use Service Autopilot and some of the automation features that you can build yourself. And if you need a hand, let us know. But otherwise, this is the framework of building a automated text follow-up for pre-notification and an upsell sequence in Service Autopilot.